Imagine a world where every piece of paper you use has the power to transform back into a tree. Sounds like something out of a futuristic novel, correct? Well, it's not just a fantasy. Today, we'll talk about the fascinating concept of the green newspaper and how you can contribute to this eco friendly revolution right from your own home. We've all been reminded countless times about the importance of saving paper, but have you ever wondered why? It's simple, really. Each sheet of paper comes from a tree, and with our forests rapidly depleting, it's crucial that we find sustainable solutions to minimize our paper consumption. But let's face it, going completely paperless isn't realistic for most of us. We rely on paper for so many aspects of our daily lives, from newspapers to packaging and everything in between. That's where the green newspaper comes into play. This innovative initiative by a leading newspaper in Japan is revolutionizing the way we think about paper. Instead of ending up in landfills, these newspapers are embedded with seeds, allowing them to sprout into new life when planted. If you're curious to learn more about this groundbreaking project, be sure to check out the link in the description below. But here's the really exciting part. You can take matters into your own hands and contribute to this green movement right from your own home. By recycling used paper and making your own handmade paper, you can incorporate seeds into the pulp, giving your paper the potential to grow into a tree or bush. It's a simple yet impactful way to make a difference for our planet. So the next time you reach for a paper, think about the journey it could take, from a tree to a newspaper and back again. Together, we can turn the page on wasteful habits and cultivate a greener, more sustainable future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more eco-friendly tips and inspiration. Thank you.